morning, guys. It is currently 10:30. I have been up since 5. I kind of woke up, I don't know, for some reason my natural body clock is just waking up at 5 o'clock every morning. And then I just sit on my phone before my alarm goes off and just kind of procrastinate because that's just what I do. But today started off amazing. I had my Celsius, I had breakfast, and then it got complicated. Shiloh got into an after-school program, which is amazing because you guys know I'm starting school at the end of January. And I have a class that is a core class that I absolutely have to take that runs from like 3 to 4 or 4 to 5, I forgot whatever time slot it was in. And there's no other options for that. So she got into an after-school program, which is great, but it's only 2 days a week that I need her to go. But her school, the transportation, won't do it. They won't drop her off 2 days a week, even though there is a bus that goes there. She has a friend that goes there and everything. And 1, I can't afford it. 2, it's very inconvenient because I don't drive. So like I'd have to go pick her up every single day. Yeah, like it's just really, really frustrating because I keep having to find ways to work out how to get things done. Now I always figure it out. A lot of brainstorming, a lot of thinking, a lot of phone calls. I just spent like the last 40 minutes calling her school, calling the bus company, calling her doctor's office, her dentist's office, faxing things over, calling the after school program. It is what it is, I guess, but I'm just kind of stressing out over it, and like I know it'll work itself out. And I'm pretty sure if she goes every single day, it won't be the end of the world. She'll probably have fun. She'll actually probably do well on her homework and not fight me about it. So there's that. Her birthday party is, what's today? Today's Thursday, 2 days from now. All of her Party City stuff came for the party. So the tablecloths, things like that, the balloons. What else did I get in? Oh, and I have my Shein order came in, which I'm so excited about. Yeah, I should probably do a Shein haul for you guys. I should do that. There's one of 2. The first one I ordered still isn't here yet. The second package I ordered came first. And I'm just like, where's my package? Where is it? Yeah, let's do a Shein haul. Kind of like putting you guys up on my desk, which is another new thing that I kind of have customized. I mean, I kind of just found something in my basement and used it. The girl's broke, I'm resourceful. Let's get into that Shein haul. So I'm gonna like open these. Maybe. So I got these for Shiloh. These are teddy bear gloves and they're so cute. Look at the little teddy bear. I think it's a teddy bear. What would you say that is? That's a bear, right? Like it doesn't have ears on the gloves or anything, but they are tech gloves and everything, so she could use like smart devices, things like that. I did pick myself up a pair of gloves as well, and these ones are also like touchscreen cell phone gloves, and I really love the design on them. I feel like it's very like neutral, perfect for winter. So I'm really excited about that. What else did I get? Next, I got Shiloh this cute little frog hat. Hats don't work really good when you have glasses, but I'm pretty sure she'll love it. It has little frogs up at the top, and as you guys know, she's currently obsessed with frogs and koalas and things like that, but I really hope she'll love it. It feels like it's wool, really. It smells brand new. It smells like something. I can't pinpoint what exactly it smells like. And wow, I floofed out my hair. It's okay, because I'm about to do it again. So I did get this hat for myself, and I am in love with it, even though I haven't even tried it on yet. But the pictures of it made it look super, super cute. And I absolutely love it. It's like a bucket hat. Obviously, it's a bucket hat. But it was super affordable. It's super cute. I feel like it'd be perfect for fall, winter, spring, whenever you want to wear a bucket hat. And I absolutely love it. I love the neutral tone of it. It has like the fuzz underneath, so it's like super warm. I hate my ears covered. Like I absolutely hate when my ears are covered. So hats like that are super perfect for me. Next, I got Shiloh this hoodie. She picked it out, which is kind of funny because it's how I know she's my child. It's it a shirt or a sweater? It's a hoodie. And it says, "Sorry I'm late. I didn't want to come." Now this is me in a nutshell. And so it's also Shiloh in a nutshell. It's her size, though it looks like it would fit me, to be honest. Maybe if she's lucky or not lucky, I'll keep it. But she's excited for it. I mean, you guys have seen her. She's almost as tall as I am. And then I just got a pair of black leggings. I don't really need to show those. They're just black pants. There are a couple more things that I'm excited about, and literally just 2 more things that came in today. This is the multifunctional data line storage, and I cannot wait to install these on my desk. And You can put your cords on them, you can rest your phone on them, and they're basically like a cord storage thing. These were super, super affordable on Shein. The smallest thing that made me super excited. You guys are probably gonna laugh at me for this. No, it's not edible. It's a wall sticky. It's this thing. And what you do is you stick it on the wall, and when you open a door, the doorknob smacks it. My wall's taken some damage, and you can see like a little scuff on it. So I kind of just want to protect the wall, and I love the pastel yellow. I think it's super, super cute. Totally influencing this, but I love it. Absolutely love it. I can't wait to put this on the wall. I'll do that after I'm done watching this YouTube video. So, wow, it's kind of down low. Get low, get low, get low. Anyway, I have this thing that I showed you guys in my haul. What it does is you put it on a wall and it stops the doorknob from smacking into the wall. Thank you for focusing on me. So I'm gonna install this because it's kind of itching at me. Like, I just have to install it. I am so excited to put this on the wall. Now, it's kind of like me getting new appliances. I love getting things that are practical, functional, and affordable. This, like I said, is from Shein. I think it was like maybe $1, and it is like this cute pastel yellow. And I'm just gonna install this so I can get this off my chest and sit down and actually watch YouTube without having to get up every 5 minutes to look at my door and be like, I want to install it. So let's do that together. So here is the wall thing installed on the wall, and when I close the door, it actually like protects the wall. Did I not put it over enough? No, I did. It looks great. I love it. I love the little bubbles on it. Now up here, the door stopper broke off because, like I said, this house is like super old, and it was just kind of doing some damage to the molding around the door. So I'm very happy that that is done. I kind of want to install those cord organizers. It kind of bothers me just a little bit. If I can get it, I'll be right back. And this is where everything goes wrong. Guys, I made a mistake. The perfectionist in me wanted the thingy I put on the wall to be center with the doorknobs, and I ripped off a ton of paint trying to remove it. So now there's an even bigger problem. See this? Like, the whole bottom of it is no longer sticky because it ripped off a ton of paint. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? I could have lived with the little black scuff. I could have. And now I have to sand and paint and fix it. Am I gonna do that today? No. Is it gonna? No. It's gonna bother me until I do. You know, I'm just gonna rage clean. My office could use it. Send help. Right now, I'm going to install these on my desk right now and try to get some of my cords organized. But I'm super excited for this, and my face looks really red in this viewfinder. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now and just kind of get this stuff done. I'm really excited for these types of things. Let me know down in the comments what kind of things you guys are excited to buy, whether that be beauty care, clothes, accessories, appliances. I mean, I was really excited when I got a rice cooker for Christmas one year. So guys, it's a few hours later. It is like almost 5 o'clock. I gave up trying to use my Canon to record everything I was doing because it's just getting frustrating. But let me show you the party room, at least in the upstairs. So that took me about an hour to make. And then this is the tablecloth and the cupcakes. Like, there are bowls under these balloon frogs that I'm gonna put snacks in. This is like all of the party silverware and stuff. These are the cupcakes, green sprinkles, pink sprinkles, green cupcakes. 8 cupcakes. Here we have the tablecloth on the council table where she has her goodie bags for her friends, and I figured that the gifts can go up here if she doesn't crowd them with people's goodie bags. I have like a bunch of extra goodie bags too that I'm not sure what to do with. But it does say happy birthday, and it has frogs in the beginning and the end. Ooh. Wow, I almost dropped my phone. Today's the day. Today is Shiloh's birthday party. This is the table with all of the goodie bags in it. It says happy birthday with a frog balloon. I got all this stuff from Party City. It's the greeting frog, she says. And she's watching the older Doctor Who, which is awesome. She's obsessed. But yeah, let me show you the table. I think I did all this yesterday, but let me just go over it again because why not? One last look at everything before it gets destroyed by children. If my phone would focus. I did find this in my basement. I did wash it really thoroughly. This is from like the 40s. It's like an old serving bowl. I'm gonna put chips in it. Got my banner up there for her. Some matching decorations, a frog tablecloth, and another dish in the basement. And this is how I know things are from like the 40s or 50s, because I asked my friend one. And two, it's just, it took me a little while to figure out what it was. Look at this serving plate. It's like a Christmas tree. It has snowflakes around it. I brought up my heart thing, Shiloh's foot. And yeah,